In this video, I will show you how to make a Gamepass on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To do this, what you want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto Create at the top. And then what you want to do once you're on your Creator dashboard is come over to the left hand side and click onto Creations. From here, go ahead and select the experience that you want to make a Gamepass for. So by default, you're going to have one already set up. But of course, if you created your own ones, you want to select the one that you want to make a Gamepass for. And once you've done that, then what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side, come down to the monetization section and click onto passes. As you can see, here's one I've already created, but to create a new Gamepass, just simply click onto the blue Create a Pass button. Then what you can do is go ahead and start to create your pass, so you can give it a name and a description, and you can change this image if you want to as well by clicking change and providing your own image. Once you're happy with everything, come down to the bottom and click the blue Create Pass button, and as you can see, that's now being created, ready to go. To put this for sale, what you can do is click onto the pass, click back onto the pass, and then what you want to do is come to the left hand side and click onto sales. What you can then do is turn the switch on to make the item for sale and set a default price for the item. Then what you need to do is come down and click on save changes, and that's going to assign a price, so how much Robux, and basically it's going to save that as well. Once that's done, come up to the top and click on to back to passes, and as you can see, that's now been set for sale at 20 Robux. Now if you actually look, you can see the section called Pass ID, so each one has a different ID number. So what you can actually do is copy this Pass ID. Just by hovering over, you're going to see a button to click to copy Pass ID. Then if I open up a new tab, and what you want to do is type the following, which is roblox.com/game-pass/ and then what you need to do is paste your ID into here. Once you've done that, go ahead and press enter, and what it's going to do is show you the Gamepass on the marketplace. As you can see, it's currently for sale. So that is how to make a Gamepass on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.